Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to talk about the AC Pro. And the most important thing that I like about the AC Pro, because you know, to me all refrigerant is basically the same. But my friend, he had a leak in his AC lines, and I picked up the AC Pro. And I know a lot of people want to ask this question. I always have this question, especially if they have a leak in the AC lines. If you have a small leak, AC Pro will work. Because my friend, he had a small leak, and we went and purchased the AC Pro, and it's been over a month. It's been over a month that the AC is actually working real good. It usually takes him like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, something like that, like 2 weeks. Yeah, like about 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, and then it'll start blowing hot again. But since we use the AC Pro, it works, guys. So if you have a small leak, you could just pick up the AC Pro, test it out, and see what happens. Now, if you have a major leak, something big, it's not going to work, guys. No matter what sealant you use, no matter what sealant product you use to stop that leak, it's not gonna work. You need special attention. You need to take it to the shop and get it done. But guys, this right here, it said maximum cold air leak sealant. It said protect system, extend AC life, and this is the R134A, guys. It said ultra synthetic AC recharge, #1 selling recharge kit. So this is it, guys. This is the AC Pro, and it's basically easy to use. I had a part that you peel off in the back, but I don't know what I did with the paper. But it's like a 1, 2, 3 steps, which is real easy to use. And this gauge right here is just a different gauge that I bought. I had separately. I had the other one, which is the AC Pro gauge that you actually squeeze it and it tell you where the level at. This one actually have the gauge also to it that tells you. But whichever works best for you, you could use it. I mean, this one works, and I didn't have no problem with it. So that's what I just want to share with you guys. Yeah, so AC Pro do works. All refrigerant actually works, but if you have a small leak, I mean, go for the AC Pro with the one that says sealant. I think all of them say sealant on there for the AC Pro. And the other refrigerant that just say 134A, and I think they say STP on there or some other name brand, they only have the refrigerant in there and they don't have the sealant. So make sure if you have a small leak, go for the AC Pro, guys, and it will work. It will work with no problem. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue watching you guys' video. I know I've been falling behind. It's so hard with work, with life situation, and YouTube, man. It's very hard, but I'm doing my best. And I really appreciate you guys for stopping by and showing me love, giving me a like, you know, subscribing, showing support, leaving comments. I love it. I love you guys. And I will continue to do the same with you guys. I got to set up. I got a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. So I'm off on Friday, so I'm gonna try to get my things together and get everything set up and sit down and watch everybody's videos, because y'all are awesome, and I really appreciate you guys for all the love and the support. But thank you, and have a beautiful Monday. Bye bye, and I'm out of here. Peace.